These are some crazy dashcam moments that will make you so wet. Just some normal parking so far. What could go wrong? Did bro really go out of his way to follow him in there? Is he onto him or something? Yeah, I would have left too, dude. What's actually going on?
Are you ready to eat ice cream? What are you doing, dude? It's the other side. It's the other side. You don't know?
Is this dude okay?
No, it's the other side. This is one way. It's the other side. This is one way. This is one way. You have to go to that side. What are you doing? You gotta go to that side.
Typical experience with people not knowing the rules of the road.
Away, bro. Why would you merge?
I want to give it a shot, and at least I know. What about your 12 brothers?
And then, whoa!
Oh my God.
Interesting looking van right there. It definitely looks like a kidnapping van.
What the? Oh my god!
Very abrupt beginning.
Oh my god, what did she do? Babe!
The oldest trick in the book that also got caught on camera. Nice one!
I got into an accident. Oh my god. Oh my god,
Where are
babe.
you?
I'm on the Bell Parkway. This guy just reversed into me. What the hell is going on?
Reversed into you?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, fuck, I'm shaking.
My God. Babe.
Yeah.
Just stay there. Oh my god.
Fuck, oh my god.
We're on the Brown Parkway.
Oh, holy shit. You know, after that turn?
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh my
Babe,
god.
it's okay.
Hold on, okay?
Imagine what would happen if they didn't own a dashcam. Let us know in the comments.
What happened? Hold on, babe. Oh, fuck. Wait.
It's always the unmarked police officers too.
I literally just renewed my ID. I don't have it with me here today, but I can give you my name.
Got someone a name on it?
It's my car.
Registered deal?
My mom. Me and my mom. She's a co-sign.
Hold the door for speeding. 6-digit 74.
Sorry about that. I wasn't even supposed to leave the crib. Bro, y'all saw that. He didn't look like police. Am I tweaking? It looked like he was trying to turn right or something. Bro, wow. I'm cooked, nigga. 74 and a 60. Is that bad? That's like 14. And my car's tinted, bro. I got 1% tinted. I'm cooked. God, if you love me, bro. If you love me. Sometimes I think I'm just a dumbass. Like, there's stuff that you should not be lazy with. My police radar, I haven't plugged this bitch back in maybe 2 weeks.
Speed limit 6-digit 74 on a laser. 6-digit 70. That's fine. Saves a few bucks at least, but slow down a bit, okay?
Alright, thank you. Appreciate it. 2. Oh my god, you got 74, dude. Holy, bro.
This typical insurance scammer didn't realize the guy had a dash cam, so get ready to see what happens.
Dude, I've got a dash cam.
And it was so clear what he was trying to do too.
Dash cam. Yeah, go ahead. I'll show him the dash cam of you cutting us off like that. Go ahead.
Don't be a dummy. Get a dash cam.
Just walk away like it didn't happen.
This piece lifts straight up. Just take it off. Because my door won't open. Yep, perfect. Thank you so much.
Bro acted like it was just a casual day.
Seeing all the billboards and the tanks driving by and the yellow lights waiting settlements.
Don't be a dummy. Get a dash cam.
You have to right a fucking way. Why would you stop? There's no stop sign here. This is how I know you can't drive.
What the fuck am I afraid of?
Oh my, and then you, oh my, ooh, she just ran the.
How does someone stop at nothing and then run a stop sign? What the hell?
Run the stop sign. Nah, it's my fault. It's Dashcam driver's fault. It's my fault. I should never rushed though.
Man, these drivers really cannot drive good. Comment down below on a scale of 1 to 10 how good of a driver you think you are.